Kate here with WTI. Now I'm sure you agree, we all love summer, but we all hate the bugs. That is the worst part of summer. I have the solution right here. This is the Mosquito Zapper from FTMKK. Now you can use this inside or outside. We like to take it with us. So you do have the option to mount it. It does come with a chain and you can mount it somewhere. But we take this outside when we're sitting. It attracts the bugs like nothing I've ever seen. So you put it a little distance from you and all of the bugs will go there instead of at you, and they will be zapped one by one. Now, it is extremely satisfying to hear all of the crackling and know that you are not getting bit by those mosquitoes. It is literally eliminating them for you. Isn't that insane? It's like a fireworks show. I love that it has the two lights, so it really does attract a lot of mosquitoes. It also might zap some other bugs while it's at it, since a lot of bugs are attracted to the light. It comes with a handy little remote if you want to do it from a distance. We also use this indoors sometimes. You know how the mosquitoes get inside and that makes your sleep miserable. Just one mosquito will ruin your whole night's sleep. So having this indoors also is great. Mosquitoes are attracted to the light and not to you. It comes with 2 bonus light bulbs, so when these ones burn out, you have a backup. It also has a timer, so you can set that from 2 to 14 hours. A simple cord, you just have to plug and go. And then it's also safe. You don't have to worry about little kids putting their fingers inside. It's got that double grate, so that's extra peace of mind. So if you want to eliminate the worst part of summer, the bugs, I definitely think you should try out this bug zapper. It works so well. I love having it. I love knowing that I can enjoy the outdoors, enjoy camping, enjoy my sleep without being bitten by a mosquito. So I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.